The calibration of optical dissolved oxygen and the precautions in the use of sensors. First, remove the protective cap of the optical dissolved oxygen sensor. Below the protective cap is the fluorescent cap, which must not be removed. For saturated dissolved oxygen calibration, the sensor needs to be completely placed in the air and kept vertical. Next, start the calibration. Press the ESC key to enter the password 3900. Press Enter. Press the up and down keys to select saturation calibration. Press Enter. Wait 3 to 5 minutes. After the value is stable, press Enter. Screen display calibration successful. Press Exit key. Calibration complete. Dissolved oxygen sensor use precautions. 1. When in use, the sensor fluorescent cap must not be taken off. 2. When calibrating, the sensor must remain vertical. 3. Wash the fluorescent cap regularly to prevent mud blockage and scratching.